Hello students, welcome back in this 7th class maths. Student, today we will start exercise 2. Yes, come to this question number 1. Find the measures of the acute angles, obtuse angles and reflex angles in the figures below. Yes, I am solving your first part. Yes, first part is here. Angles are, yes, AOB is given. Angle AOB is equal to 50 degree. And second angle, angle BOC, angle BOC is equal to 60 degree. Yes, these both angles are given. And we have to find out this one angle, AOC. Yes, what is this AOC? If we will add both of this, then we can find out this AOC. Yes, angle AOB plus angle BOC. BOC. Put the value. Yes, AOB 50 degree plus BOC 60 degree. And the value of this angle AOC, yes, AOC is equal to 110 degree. Yes, this value 110 degree. These are acute angles, and this one is acute angle means less than 90. Obtuse angle 110 is obtuse angle means greater than 90. And this one, yes, this one we have to find out. Yes, we will subtract this AOC from complete angle to find out this one. This one will be reflex angle. Yes, okay. Now find the value of this. Angle AOC is equal to 360. 360 minus angle AOC. This one. Angle AOC we will write. AOC 360 degree minus 110. Then we are getting this reflex angle 0 and here 5 and 250 degree. AOC straight. To find out the difference, I am writing here R for the reflex. This is reflex angle, okay, AOC. And this one obtuse angle. This one obtuse angle, AOC. Yes. Now we have to write down what are acute angles, what are obtuse angles, and what are reflex angles. First is their acute angle. Acute angles is equal to 50 and 60 degree. 50 degree, 60 degree. And obtuse angle is here. Obtuse angle is equal to, obtuse angles are here. Yes, this one, 110 degree. And the last is reflex angle is here. Reflex angle is equal to 250 degree. Okay, student? Like this you will solve second part. Okay. Question number 2. First part is here. At 2 o'clock, what are the acute angle and the reflex angle between the minute and the hour hand of a clock? So, this is a watch. Yes, here. This one is minute hand and this is hour hand. In hour's hand, yes, this one. Stand here, a complete rotation of a hand generates 360 degree. Okay, and we have to find out the angle between two integers. Yes, these are integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, these numbers are integers. Okay, the angle between the two hands of a clock when they point to consecutive integers is 360 upon 12. Total integers are here 12. That's why we will put here this in denominator. And a complete rotation of a hand of a clock is here 360 degree. This is we will write in numerator. After division we are getting 30 degree. Yes, it means angle between two integers is here 30 degree. Yes, we have to find out here obtuse angle. Sorry, acute angle we have to find out. Yes, in first part we will find out here acute angle. Acute angle. For this student, First we will find the angle between two integers. Yes, this is 30 degree. And then we will multiply this. What is the time here? 2 o'clock. We will multiply this by 2. Yes. 2 1 is 2, 2 6 are 12. And it is going completely 60 times. 8 means the acute angle is here, required acute angle 60 degree. Now the required reflex angle. For this we will subtract this 60 degree from this 360 degree. After subtraction we are getting here 300. This is the required reflex angle. Like this, second part, try yourself. Question number 3 is here, write the complement, means complementary angles of each of the following. Student, what is this complementary angle? Yes, sum of the measurements of two angles. Sum of the measurement of two angles is equal to 90. These are called complementary angles. We have to find out the complementary angles of these. Yes, I am taking here 5th, 6th and 7th part. Okay. If we will subtract this from 90, we will get the complementary angle of this one. Okay. Come to 5th. Yes, we will subtract this from 90 degree. 90 degree, this 5th part is here 45 degree. 24 minutes. Yes, student, you know very well 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay. To find out the complementary angle of this one, we have to subtract this from 90. Yes. 90 degrees here. And here 45 we will write. And here 24 minutes. Student, first we will take borrow from this degree. Yes, for this minute. If you will take 1 degree from here, what is left here? 89 degree. And what is coming here? 60. Because 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes are here. Okay. Yes, now subtract 60 minus 24, what you will get? 36. Okay, and this 45 you will subtract from this 89. 9 minus 5, 4, and 8 minus 4, 4. 44 degree, 36 minutes. Okay, like this we will solve next part. Next is your 6th part. Yes, 6. 90 degree minus 55 degree 10 minutes, sorry, yes, 20 seconds. Yes, 90, here we will write 45, 10 and 20 seconds. Okay, we have to subtract these. Yes, take borrow from here. If you will take borrow from here, then what we will get? 89 degree. What is this here? 60 minute. And here we need second also. That's why we will take borrow 1 minute from here. If you will take, then what is left here? 59. And what is come here? 60 second. Okay. 60 minus 20, 40 second. 59 minus 10, 49 minutes. 89 minus 55, 4, and this is 34 degree, 49 minute, and seconds are here 40 seconds. This is the required complementary angle of this one. Okay, this is 6th part and this is 5th part. Okay, student. Now come to the next one is here. Yes, we have to solve this next. Next is 7th part. In 7th part, 65 degree, 21 minute, 24 seconds. Yes, 90 degree, we will write here, and 65 degree here. 22 minute, 24, this is seconds. Yes. We have to subtract. Take borrow from here. What is left here? 89 degree. And here 60. And we need here seconds also. We will take borrow from here. 60 seconds we will get. And here what is left? 59. Yes. Start subtraction. 60 minus 24. 36 seconds. Yes, here 37 minutes. And here what is left? 24 degree. This is the required complementary angle of this one. Okay, students. Yes, students, sorry. Here 10 minus 4, 6 and 5 minus 2, 24 seconds. 60 we will write here. 1 second. Student, correct this one. Here is 44 seconds. Yes, 44 seconds. 44 seconds. If we will subtract this from 60, what we will get? 6 and here 1. 16 seconds. Okay? Correct this one. Like this you have to solve starting parts. Question number 4 is here. Write the supplementary angle of each of the following. Yes. If sum of the measurement of two angle is equal to 180, these are supplementary angles. Yes, student. I am taking here 4th, 5th and 6th part. Supplementary angles. We have to find out supplementary angle of this one. For this we will subtract this angle from 180 degree. Yes, 4th part is here 180 degree and this we will write here below of this degree and here we will write this 60 minute. We have to take borrow from this 180. Okay, we will take borrow. What is left here? 179 degree and here 60 minute. Yes, if we will subtract this 10 minus 4, 6, 4 and here 3, 34 minute and here 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 5, 2, 27 degree, 34 minutes. Okay, students? Next is here, 5th part. Yes, 180 degree. Here we will write degree here, 30 degree. 45 minute, 26 seconds. Yes, take borrow from here. 179 degree is left here and here 60 minute. We will take 1 minute from here. What is left here? 59 minute and here 60 seconds. Yes, subtract this. 10 minus 6, 4 and here 5 minus 2, 3. 34 seconds. Yes, 4 and 1. 40 minute and here 9 and this 49 degree, 14 minute and 34 seconds. Okay, and yes, one is also 149 degree, 14 minute, 34 seconds. Yes, next question is here, 6th part. I am solving here. 180 degrees here, we will write here 180 degree. Below of this 46 seconds. Take borrow from here. 179 degrees left and what is this here? 60 minutes. If we will take borrow from here, what is left? 59 and here 60 seconds. We have to subtract. Is 10 minus 6, 4 is here. 1, 14 seconds. 5 and here 3, 35 minutes and 6, 7. 76 degree. 45 is here. 45. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 1, 45 minutes, 14 seconds. Okay, students? Like this you will solve. Okay? Starting parts. Question number 5 is here. Choose the pair of supplementary angles. Student, two pairs are given. If sum of these equal to 180, it means these are supplementary. Okay? first and second part I am taking. Yes, 90 degree 40 minute. Write this 160 below of this degree and this 20 in the column of 20 minute in the column of minute we will write. Add both of this. 40 plus 20, 60 minute. 9 7 1 179 degree 60 minute. Yes, 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. Yes, we will add here. Then what we are getting? 180 degree. Yes, this is supplementary. The angles. Okay, this pair is supplementary. Next is 66 degree 49 minute, 110 degree and 11 minute. Add this. 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, 5 plus 1 6. Here 60 minute. Here 6 and this is 7. 176 degree 60 minute. 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. We will add here 1 degree. We will change into degree. We will get here 177 degree. This is not a supplementary pair. Okay, student? Like this we will try third and fourth part. Yes, question number 6 is here. Choose the pair of complementary angles. Yes, for the complementary angle, the sum of pair should be equal to 90 degree. Yes, complementary means 90 degree. Okay. Yes, in first part I am taking here first and third part. In first part, two angles are here. First is 140 degree, second is 40 degree. 140 degree, we will add this 40 degree. What we will get? 180 degree. It is supplementary angle, not complementary. It means this pair is not complementary angle. Next is 69 degree and 24 minute. 20 degree 36 minute. Add this 0, carry 1, 60 minute 9 and this 89 degree 60 minute. We will convert this minute into degree. Then what we will get? 1 degree. Yes, add here. Then 90 degree. Yes, this pair is complementary. Like this, student, rest part of this question try yourself, and up to the next video. Thank you.